think so. I
Yeah,
think it's beautiful name, Muhammad.
yeah, Muhammad. It's a great name. Uh, there was a person that meant where Prophet Muhammad Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, our Nabi. Do you know Nabi? Maybe you don't know Nabi. That means prophet. Yeah,
Oh,
yeah. Our prophet name was
yeah,
Muhammad.
that's why. Oh, I think this is
Hello,
from.
how are you?
I'm good. How are you, people?
I'm fine by the
How are
grace
you?
of Almighty Allah.
Oh, mashallah, you are Muslim. Salam alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam. You're Muslim?
No, that's
Oh,
my greeting when I see a Muslim.
oh, yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
And you're Christian.
because I had a lot of friends. Yes, of course, I am a Christian.
You are from Philippines. Am I right?
Of course. Yes, 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 you're right. Because of
Oh,
the nose, I think. You see me, my nose.
that's great. You're Christian and
Yeah.
you're Philippines. So, a matter of you appreciate doesn't matter. Okay, so first of all, I'd like to know about your name. What's your name?
Yes, of course, I am really,
What's your name? Your
really.
Riri.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Easy name, really.
Oh, yeah. I thinking that your name is really, not really, Riri.
No, no, no lah. It's an English, really.
Oh, yeah, I got it. So, this
Yeah.
is my name is MD Raju.
Bo.
MD
It's so hard
Raju.
to pronounce your name.
MD Raju.
Raju.
Yeah, Raju.
So can I call you Raju?
Yeah, yeah. Please call me Raju because that's my nickname. Oh,
Is
so
that your real name?
yeah. My full. Would you like to listen my full name?
It's okay. Me same. I have a long name.
Yeah, yeah. I have a long name to you. Uh, Muhammad Ashadujaman Raju.
Oh no, Muhammad again. I have a friend Muhammad.
Yeah, yeah.
He's from
Muhammad.
Pakistan.
Yeah,
Same
because
with you.
we're Muslim. That's why in the first time of our name, we have to say that Muhammad. Yeah, Muhammad
But I
Ashadujaman
think,
Raju.
yeah, I think Muhammad is popular.
Yeah, it's a
Is
popular
that a
name.
popular
It's a
name?
popular name in the world. Mm,
Yeah, I think so. I
yeah,
think it's beautiful name, Muhammad.
yeah, Muhammad. It's a great name. Uh, there was a person that meant where Prophet Muhammad Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, our Nabi. Do you know Nabi? Maybe you don't know Nabi. That means prophet. Yeah, yeah.
Oh,
Our prophet name was
yeah,
Muhammad.
that's why. Muhammad.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay,
Where you
so
from?
yeah,
I forget to ask you where you from.
yeah. I'm from Bangladesh. Do you know Bangladesh?
Yes, I know Bangladesh. I see people here, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Lebanon, Canada. Yeah, I had. I think you are good in English. What is your work? I think you are a call center. Am I right?
No, 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 no. Basically, I'm a student right now. I'm learning English.
Oh,
I'm learning English by the our Facebook or YouTube, the social media. There are
oh,
there are
that's
many
great.
class. There are many class and there are many things for learn English. That's why I'm learning.
That's great.
I'm learning from this platform, social media.
Oh,
I'm a
so you
student.
mean
Yeah.
you're?
So may I know
So
about
yeah,
your
yeah.
age? How old are
What
you?
is? Of course, I am old. I am 37 now. What do you
37.
think?
37.
Yes,
Oh, I'm 21 years old.
of course.
Just
You
20.
are a student. That's of course you are young.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm a student right now. Basically, many people say that to me. Am I uh, such as am I look like 25 of over? But
What's your,
I'm not 25 over. I'm just 21 years old.
okay? You know when you are talking, I think you are a professional English. because you are, of course, you're in university.
No,
Yeah,
basically.
you're good in English, no? You know, you, you are fluent. You very fast talking English. You know, when you are, what do you mean this? Sorry, I forgot this word.
Okay, doesn't matter.
Bye. Yeah, I'm thinking.
Oh
You
yeah.
may talk to me another. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Wait, wait.
yeah.
Educated person. I think you are educated person. That's why you are good in English. You know.
No, such a
Yeah.
I don't know properly, but I'm as a learner. I'm learning English speak for basically. Do you know that it's the funny. It's the funny matter. The matter of I'm trying to talk. I'm trying to speak like you foreigner person for develop my skill. If I call
Okay.
if I conversation to you like your countries like another countries people, then I will get a lot of things that people how to say and how to speak any accent, any country's accent, and how to
Mm-mm.
develop our skilled English skill for knowing, for listening this our talk, your talk. Many countries people talk. Maybe every countries has their our own accent.
Yes,
Accent.
of course.
Yeah,
Eh,
that's
I
why.
don't. You know what? What I don't like the accent. You know what country I don't like the accent? The British accent. I don't like.
Yeah. um,
Did
basically.
you experience?
Yeah,
Did
yeah.
you experience the? You see, the accent. Oh no, I can understand clearly because of the accent. I like the American accent.
Oh, you know American accent? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, because you can understand the English about how about the British country, you know, how to accent their word with s, you know. Yeah, what, you know, it's so hard. It's so hard.
Yeah, so American and a British accent, so totally some difference, many difference in her accent. So American,
Uh-uh.
I'm just example to you. American said that we say water, water. That means water we're drinking. We're drinking that water. Do you know water? So American said that water, water, and British said that water, water. Water, water.
Yeah,
There is some difference.
that's
This
why
accent.
yeah, they have. They
Yeah,
have, of course.
yeah.
That's why I said to you I like the American accent.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Basically,
Mm,
many people like that American accent. Basically, there are very honor and there are very big countries and very strong countries. There are,
yes,
mm, yeah, there are very basically you can say strong
understand.
country. That's why many people
Yes, of
and many
course.
countries people are following American, following to American furthers.